Alright, Bass King RC here, guys. I'm out here with fudge rounds, my TRX4. And we're getting ready to go try to find a waterfall. It's out through that trail. There's Fudge. Say hi, Fudge. This is the sketchy ass whatever we got to go by. So, let's hope it's down there somewhere and see what happens. Alright, so here's a cool little spot not far in the trail, and we got our first water crossing here. I should take it like a champ though. Piece of cake. Now watch me fall. Trying to walk across here. Sorry guys. Trying to figure out how to hold this thing and record and pay attention and know where it's at. This video will be all a learning thing. See if Fudge can get up over here. Oh yeah. Okay, okay. He ain't gonna like the down. Well, let's try something here. It's not so bad over here. See if we can get him from down off there. Check that out. I swear guys, this TRAXXAS TRX4 has a mind of its own. Alright. I'll be back when I got something better for you guys. Stay tuned. Alright, well, here's another water crossing up to that bench right there, so let's see what happens. I'll try this walking and yeah, see how good I do at it. I can't walk, talk, and record and pay attention to an RC car at the same time, folks. Sorry. If you want some fucked up content though, keep watching. Either gonna be awesome, fucked up, screwed up, messed up, tore up. Who knows? Oh, one thing, it's not goddamn swampy over this place. Tell you what though, it's a really nice day outside. Uh-oh, hold on. Let me veer off and I think this is what they're talking about on the sign. Pay attention to the switchbacks. See their arrows? Yeah, I wasn't paying attention, so I had to walk past like I did down there. But alright, I'm gonna cut and go up, so I'll be back at the next something cool or other. You know, just when you're crawling along a nice easy switchback logging trail, you know, on your way up to this thing, it says nope, we're gonna take the uphill path now. And I'm like, alright. And then I'm like, Fudge, what do you think? And he's like, let's do it, old man. I can't steer and drive in one hand with this remote. So, well, here, let me just try this for a minute. See if we can get out past this part here. This part right here looks like something a fudge would like. Oop, I thought he was gonna be like, yes sir. And he said, nope. He said, I cadoppled. But hey, I got a stick in there. Get shit out of here. Alright, so I better go up this way. I'll get a little bit more here and then I'll sit up and quit talking. Follow my RC car up this mountain. Bye, I'd follow you anywhere, buddy. Alright guys, let me get up here and hopefully the next spot will be a little more interesting. Alright guys, so the trail's getting a little steeper, but it's no match for old fudge rounds here. But I wanted to show you guys, I don't know if I can get them on the camera right now, can't see their glare, but there we go. Let me just show you fudge rounds go up this little set right here. Just TRAXXAS high trail, got some brass, wheel weights and diffs and whatnot, but the motor's not, it's still stock. But look at it. Chums right up over this steep ass shit. I'll fight the dust getting up here. But I can see a yellow marker way out there in the distance. But I think I'm getting close because if you look real hard, you can see the ridge up there. Waterfall ain't any higher than the mountain, right? So I'll keep pressing on, see what happens. Hopefully the next time I chime in, I'm at the falls. So hey, see you guys. I think I made it to the end of my destination, so let me spin the camera around here. We'll see it together for the first time. Well, I better bring Fudge too, because he drove this whole trip. If I go out here and steal his thunder without him, he ain't gonna be happy, you know what I mean? So he's gonna sit right there and holy shit. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this waterfall. This is gorgeous. I hope there's a way I can get down there safely anyways. Let me walk out here and show you something cool. The path down here was sketchy as shit, I'll tell you that. This looks kind of cool. Fudge rounds might actually like to do something here, I think. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Look at this, guys. And I see a way down there, so it looks like we're gonna get some footage of me playing around down there. But this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay guys, I'm about to back down to the bottom of this waterfall trail. So I wanted to see the first view. I wanted everybody to see it with me. So my first time, maybe some of y'all's first time, probably everybody's first time, but I'm not that important. But there's the trail coming around. Wow, look at that. That's gorgeous. Let's get a little closer to it. Holy shit, without driving my fudge rounds off of the edge, huh? Looks like we got a little bit of rocky spot here, huh? Well, let me skip over this and then I'll come back to y'all. Well guys, I was at the base of the waterfall up there, and then I got curious and it looked like another one right here, so I think I'm about to see another one. Let's go here and see it together. I think. If not, it has all the makings for one. So I didn't see any science about this one. So let's go over here and see what we see. Oh wow. See that one. That one's pretty cool. I didn't even know this one was here. Let me see if there's a way down there that's fairly easy. If not, that's gonna have to wait for a later video. Well guys, I decided I'm gonna make another trip back here with friends so I can get down in there better. Maybe on top better. I'm out here by myself in the middle of the mountains. Nobody knows where I'm at, so I'm gonna do the smart thing and don't go anywhere where I don't know. I came this far off the beaten path. Kind of looks like somebody worn in a trail here somewhat, but we'll see how it connects up there. But I still have to go above that waterfall again, so I'll videotape some more somewhere along the way. Fudge Rounds is gonna, well, here, I mean, you guys wanna follow it up out of here for a few minutes? I mean, this is an RC video. I don't know how good it's gonna record. I did some really nice waterfalls of a different waterfall, but I recorded in 5K, and for some reason I can't make the damn video of it. But I had some really sweet footage that would have been really cool to show you guys. Let's see if I'll fudge it. Turn off this way. Might be a good spot to make a TikTok. I'll be right back, guys. Well, guys, I'm about a mile and a half into my trip. About a mile and a half to the falls. Falls are just right over there. Fudge Round just now decided his battery was gonna die. So, guess what? I'm gonna run it out here. Never going a long RC hike without bringing a spare battery. So I'll be back, guys. Fudge Round's driving his ass out of this trip. I ain't carrying him this time. Well, there's my last little bit of uphill, and then the rest is downhill. But it's weird because the trail goes from out there on that point down, comes by here to that 2-dot tree right there. Then you got to take the blue dot trail down across, up over, and back down. And you come out adjacent of this point, but you're on the waterfall on that side. It's kind of weird. But that yellow dot up there takes you to Oil Sock Trail. I think that's what that marking is. So I think there's another way to get onto this waterfall trail other than that one, but maybe next time I'll look a little harder. Probably a shortcut to it, but hey, I had to get out and do something today instead of sitting on my couch. So let's see something else cool along the way. I'll get you guys see it. Thanks. Alright guys, I think I've made it to my next water crossing. I'm almost back to the truck, but figured I'd see what happens here. Try my hand with this shit again. Alright, here we go. Saw a trail maintainer guy works for the state that maintains the trails will do go. He said, boy, that's the first time I've ever seen that. I said, what? He said, somebody walking these trails with an RC car. He said, that's really cool. I was like, well, you know, therapy, man. Make any bad day a better bad day. And you got a dog or a friend that wants to go for a walk or have time to go for a walk with you. You gotta do the next best thing. Get yourself an RC car. Don't get some piece of shit from Walmart. You don't have to get a good one like this TRAXXAS, but you definitely want to get one that's hobby grade and trail capable. Oop. Trail capable. And I'm telling you, you'll have the best time ever. The best time ever. I don't know where I'm supposed to cross that. Maybe right there. Let's go over here. Maybe across here out Cadopoly. Sit back, relax. This is high trail country. I don't know. I'll shut up. And here we go. And my turn to go across the rock and hope I don't break to death. Looks like getting crazy. Alright, get up out of here. Nice one down. Well, guys, it's the end of my trail. Hope you enjoyed the video. My truck's sitting out there. I don't know if you can see it. And that red thing's a sign-in log for the trail, so people know where you're at and who's on the trail. So, Bass King RC is signing off. Until next time, guys, have a good one. I'll see you on the next adventure. Maybe I'll find another waterfall, or maybe I'll go work on my trail, my course trail, whatever you call it. All right, guys, like, comment, and share. Catch you on the next video.